Yo, what's up you guys, and welcome to another video. Today we have a very special collaboration with my friends at OdinLake. Now they were kind enough to send us over a OdinLake L1 Ergo Upgrade 518. I know it's a really long name, but pretty much we're gonna be assembling it today. We're gonna be going through its features, and we're gonna let you guys see firsthand what this chair is about, why I decided to do this partnership, and why this chair I feel could be really beneficial for content creators, people that work from home, and also, you know, if you just need a nice chair. I'm someone that for some reason I've always cheaped out on desk chairs, which is literally why I just edit from the comfort of my kitchen table. But I've been trying to upgrade my chair for a long time, and so we're gonna go ahead and assemble it, and we'll be right back. If you guys have never heard of OdinLake, they are pretty much a company that supplies you with you know, office chairs, desks, etc. There'll be a link in the description down below if you want to purchase the chair that we're going to be showing today, and also feel free to check them out. And I want to be transparent with you guys. If you guys do spend money with them, I will get a kickback of 10%. So, you know, if that's something you guys would like to do to support the channel, thank you very much. And I just want to be transparent that, as you guys know, this is my first video like this, and I only did this because I only collab with products that that I feel that are up to standards and that will be beneficial to my viewers. So now let's get back into the video. Okay, so right now I'm gonna just try to shoot a really quick time lapse of you know, me building this chair for you guys, and then we'll get right into the nitty-gritty into the specs of this chair. Okay guys, honestly speaking though, the assembly part was actually not that bad. You might need a second set of hands to help you hold some things in place. Honestly speaking, I give it max 45 minutes, more like 30 minutes if you're really into it. Not that hard. The instructions are actually pretty self-explanatory. It actually comes with this book, and with this book, it kind of pretty much guides you on what to do, the functionalities of this chair, and the assembly process was not that bad. It looked a little intimidating at first, and like I said, I don't really spend a lot of money on my chairs. If you're looking for this on OdinLake.com, I believe it's retailing for $319. I'll double check that. And remember, I'll have my link in the description down low. But let's go ahead and talk about a couple features that'll be in this. So you'll be having neck support, shoulder support, back support, lumbar support. I actually didn't know how nice lumbar support really was. Arm support, hip support, and thigh support. The thigh support is actually pretty nice. You have 2D angle adjustments, 1D height vertical adjustments for the headrest. Back tilting, you can loosen and tighten the backrest elasticity. The lumbar support is auto tracking, so while you're sitting, it'll kind of like on its own, you know, auto adjust to your body. These handrails, they go up and down. You can tilt them to the side. It's also height adjustable. So you guys, and remember, this is an ergo oriented chair, so always keep that in mind. I'm very happy with it, and I hope that this video brought value to you guys. So please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on this chair in the comment section down below. That's pretty much where I'm going to wrap up this video. Make sure to use the link in the description down below if you guys want to check out OdinLake or any of their products. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.